The Apple Watch Series 11 is shaping up to be another exciting addition to Apple's lineup. With each new iteration, Apple tries to push the boundaries of what its wearables can do. And the Series 11 is no exception. One of the most exciting aspects of the Series 11 is its potential design changes. Early in 2024, Apple introduced a fresh look with the Series 10, the first major redesign since the Series 4. It featured a larger display and a slimmer profile, measuring about 10% thinner than its predecessor. The Series 11 is expected to build on this design, possibly retaining the slim and sleek form while enhancing the display. Rumors suggest the display could be slightly bigger than the Apple Watch Ultras, offering more screen real estate without increasing the overall size of your wrist. This design tweak could make it more visually appealing and comfortable to wear. The Series 10 disappointed some fans with its S10 chip, which didn't significantly improve efficiency or improve battery life. Despite the slimmer design, the battery life remained the same as the Series 9. Many hoped for an extra half-day of battery life, but Apple prioritized a thinner design over battery upgrades. The Series 11 might finally address this concern, with speculation that Apple could introduce a more efficient chip, possibly an S11, to boost performance and extend battery life. However, as of now, no concrete leaks confirm this, so it remains a hopeful wish for fans. Among all the leaks, the most talked about feature is the possibility of a glucose sensor. For years, Apple has been working on a non-invasive glucose monitoring system for diabetes management. In 2023, reports surfaced that Apple had achieved a proof of concept for this technology, but it wasn't ready for mass production. The prototype reportedly delivered accurate results about 70 to 80% of the time, which isn't up to Apple's standards. Since then, Apple has brought in new leadership to spearhead this project, signaling that progress is still being made. However, the likelihood of seeing a glucose sensor in the Series 11 remains slim. Experts believe the technology needs more refinement to meet Apple's reliability expectations. Adding to the competition, Samsung has announced its efforts to develop a glucose sensor. This has created a race between the two tech giants, with many eager to see who will release the feature first. A functional glucose monitor would undoubtedly be a game-changer, attracting a significant number of buyers. Until then, alternatives like Dexcom's wearable patches, which work with Apple Watch and iPhone, provide a workaround for glucose monitoring but come with certain limitations. These patches require direct skin contact, need frequent replacements, and are less convenient than the potential of a wrist-based sensor. The demand for a non-invasive solution remains strong, as it could eliminate the discomfort and upkeep associated with current methods. While the glucose sensor might not make it this time, Apple could still surprise us with other health and fitness features. Rumors suggest that new sensors could be introduced, though specifics remain unclear. Another possibility is improved software integration, offering enhanced sleep tracking, advanced fitness metrics, or even better AI-driven health insights. Additionally, Apple may expand customization options. Following the trend of the Series 10 Ultra, which skipped a major upgrade but introduced new color variants, the Series 11 could offer unique finishes and straps. This approach would allow Apple to refresh the lineup without introducing entirely new hardware. Apple typically unveils its new Apple Watch models in September, alongside the latest iPhones. If history repeats itself, we can expect the Series 11 to be announced in September 2025, with pre-orders starting shortly after. It's likely to remain consistent with the Series 10, starting at around $399 for the base model and going up, depending on the size, materials, and cellular options. Do you think Apple will surprise us with a game-changing feature in the Series 11? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. to stay updated on all the latest Apple Watch news.